Hey y'all, so we finna make some butter rolls. Do I know how to do this? No. Have I ever had them before? No. Will this be a fail? It might, but we finna see what happens.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the park pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't try nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang.
I'm apologize now. This whole video is finna be vloggy style, so if you don't like vlogs, click off. I just hopped up out the bed, wanted some butter rolls, and bam, this is where we at. So if you want to keep watching, you don't mind a little mess, just stay tuned. So what are butter rolls? Slightest clue, I didn't know. So I asked Facebook, and this was the feedback I got.
A delicious dessert that's been in my family for years, and it's crazy that everyone's just now hearing about them. Absolutely delicious.
Never had one either.
Yeah, so they didn't really help too much, so I just looked up some recipes, and this is what I came up with. Okay, so I got sweetened condensed milk, some cinnamon, some butter, some honey butter crescent rolls. I did see people using biscuits too, but I already have some of these. Vanilla extract, some sugar, and then I just have some extra milk in case this isn't enough, because I'm not really sure how much I need. So yeah, here we go. So the concept is kind of like a cinnamon roll. So I'm going to just cut down the middle and then press all the little perforated pieces together and kind of flatten them so that it doesn't fall apart. I was kind of upset that I didn't do my nails before I made this video, but my booty fingers did come in handy right here. But I do gotta stop buying my nails though. Now once I had all of that done, I'm just smearing everything in butter. Now it does help if your butter is room temperature. I was being impatient and I put mine in the microwave, and yeah, it's not a good idea. Just go ahead, let the thing thaw out, let it sit there, get a little mushy, and trust me, save you so much time and effort. If this ain't how y'all grandma make it, I don't want to hear that, because I made a post. Your grandma didn't come in her recipe, so don't come for me. Now, since I combined a bunch of different recipes, I don't have any measurements or anything. So I'm just sprinkling some sugar on top, sprinkling some cinnamon on top, just to my liking. And then you just want to, you know, grab it from the edges and roll it like you would a cinnamon roll, pretty much. I have seen people make like little nuggets or cut it and do all the different stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to keep this little log situation. So once I was done rolling them, I put them in a buttered baking dish. My pan didn't look too hot, so I, you know, folded it down or whatever. But I just followed the instructions on the crescent roll box, which said, you know, put them in the oven on 350 for 9 to 12 minutes. So that's what I did. So while that's in the oven, I put the sweetened condensed milk, the vanilla extract, and some sugar in the saucepan on low heat, and just you know, work that together until the sugar was melted. Since I used condensed milk, I didn't really have to use that much sugar, so yeah, I would recommend using it. And that's butter on my spoon, just ignore that, y'all. Okay, once they get golden brown, you know, you're supposed to pour the sauce on them. So let's go ahead and sauce these things up. I'm gonna put these back in the oven. How much longer? I don't know, but yeah, look at that. Okay, so this is them out of the oven, all glistening and brown. I don't know if that's how y'all like them, but I like it. All the juice at the bottom. I still gotta try them, but they look beautiful. After I let them set for a minute, I just got some of that glaze from the bottom and, you know, poured it on top. Make them all succulent and juicy and whatnot. I really love these. This is my first time, but I think they turned out bomb. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them down below. And remember, wash your hands.